Bobe Rivke was 5 foot tall, high, and 5 foot wide, and that she had this great force of charity within her. An orphan with nothing, who made it her business to survive through a war with 5 children, who made it her business to getting to America, to establish a home where she gave to others, a woman whose husband became, had a stand outside a store on Prospect Place and sold ladies' garments brought to him from the garment center where his son was working, that he sold ladies' blouses, who, when I married and came to her house to change before going away with my husband, took out of her apron some money and tried to give it to my husband, Tatala. Take a taxi, it's snowing. He said, Baba, I have money, it's okay, Baba. No, Tatala, take the money. You see, that was Baba.